Welcome to yoga. Take a long body stretch. Then draw your knees in, feet flat on the mat. And reach your arms overhead. Clasp your fingers, stretch through your fingertips. Then begin to cactus your arms. Keep contact with the surface below you the entire time as you bend your elbows down next to your sides. Keep going. And then when you cannot go any further, straighten out your arms down by your sides. Inhale as you reach your arms up to the ceiling and overhead, stretch through your fingertips. Exhale as you cactus your arms, bending them open, lowering all the way down until you cannot go any further, then straighten out. Again, inhale, reach your arms up to the ceiling and then overhead. Exhale to cactus your arms, coming all the way down. And this might feel really challenging because it is a mobility exercise. So let's do it 2 more times. Inhale as your arms reach up and overhead. Exhale as you cactus your arms down. Notice every sensation that you feel opening through your chest and shoulders. Last time, inhale as your arms reach up and overhead. Exhale to cactus them down. Then pull your right knee into your chest and hold it into place. Take your left leg long down on your mat, allowing for a gentle stretch in your lower back. Then switch legs. Extend your right leg long, pull your left knee in, hold it into place, and breathe, and stretch. Then release. Inhale as you switch sides. Exhale as you hold your right knee in. Inhale to switch sides. Exhale to hold your left knee in. And keep going, alternating with your breath. And feel free to keep going with this movement exactly as it is, or you can add on by straightening out the leg that you pull in, pointing and flexing through your foot. Smooth and controlled and alternating sides with your breath. And the next time that you pull your right knee in, keep it held in, extend your right arm long and pull your knee across your body for a big twist, and then just relax into place. Feel your breath creating space through your torso as you soften through your chest and shoulder, your middle and lower back, even through your hip. And make your way back to center and switch sides. Draw your left knee in, extend your left arm long, pull your knee across your body. Big stretch here, and then just relax. No need to chase the sensation or strain to find a deeper stretch. You'll go deeper if you can just let go. Then come back to center. Then take your time as you roll over onto one side. And use your hands to press yourself up to seated. Cross your ankles, sit up tall, with your hands in your lap. Let's ground ourselves mentally with some affirmations and deep breaths. So exhale everything from your lungs. Then take a deep inhale through your nose. And as you exhale, think, I am strong. Another big breath in through your nose. As you exhale, think, I'm doing great. Last big breath in through your nose. As you exhale, think, I'm exactly where I need to be and who I need to be. Then continue to breathe in and out through your nose. And lower your chin down to your chest. Let your head hang heavy. Notice and appreciate any sensation that you feel. Then take your hands to your knees. And as you inhale, pull your chest forward and lift your chin up for a seated cow pose. As you exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin, cave your chest, seated cat back. Again, inhale, open up into your cow pose. Heart opens, shoulders roll back. Exhale to your seated cat, cave your chest, really press back. One more time, big inhale, open up, seated cow. And big exhale, round your spine, seated cat. Then come back to center with a tall spine. Twist to your right. Just gently take your left hand to your right knee, right hand behind you. Do yourself a favor, lower your right ear down to your right shoulder and begin to nod your head, inhaling as you lift your chin up towards the ceiling, exhaling as you tuck your chin in. 2 more big breaths like that, inhaling to open, exhaling to close. Last big breath in, and big breath out. Then gently make your way back to center and we'll switch sides. Twist to your left, right hand to your left knee, left hand plants behind you. Lower your left ear down to your left shoulder. Big inhale, nod your head, chin goes up. Big exhale and tuck your chin. 2 more just like that. Inhale. Exhale. Last big breath in. And big breath out. And come back to center. Take your right hand down past your right side and reach your left arm up and overhead, giving a big stretch to your left side body. And again, nod your head, inhaling as your chin pulls back. Exhaling as you tuck your chin in. 2 more big breaths like that on your own with your breath, slowly waking up your body, connecting to your breath. When you're finished, come back to center and switch sides. Left hand plants on the ground, right arm reaches up and overhead. Find the depth that serves you today, and 3 big breaths as you nod your head. And come back up to center and place both feet flat on the mat in front of you. Place your hands down on the mat behind you, fingertips pointing towards your heels, and begin to lift your hips up into a reverse tabletop. And if this is a little intense right now, you can just lift your chest up, keep your hips down. Wherever you are, focus on that sensation of your chest and shoulders opening. Breathe into that. Don't fight it. For 3, 2, 1. Come back to your seated position. Sit up tall, eyes closed, and notice how you feel, what you feel, and where you feel it. Namaste.